If TikTok keeps closing by itself when you try to open it, here are a few simple ways to fix it. First, go to your settings. Now navigate to the option General, head over to the option iPhone Storage. Now from the list of apps, you'll need to find TikTok. Now click on Upload app. Click on Upload app, wait for a few minutes, then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for the app. Likewise, next thing you want to check is your device storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, you can update TikTok. For that, launch your app store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you want to do is check the server status of TikTok. For that, navigate to the website, down detector, now search for TikTok. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. And that's it. These are some fixes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.